The best hat. Wow, rock and roll. Then we have this one.
Wow. You have to sign it.
Yes. You know what I do? Come, I show. Then I start playing her. This. Then we have this. It's for its winter, when it's cold. That's when we finish it, signorina. We dress and we cuddle next to fireplace. It's a romantic time.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
This is for a double bass. We need a bigger girl.
Or this one with like a high, or maybe two girls.
Yeah, this is for two. Oh yes. Where can I buy this T-shirt?
Where can I don't know.
It looks good on you.
Thank you so much.
Wow. From walking to the Rebel with the Cello. I'm so tired from walking to the Rebel with the Cello tour. I bought a train. We are going with the train. Oh, Mrs. Mariam from Virtuoso.
I have the
She
best
has the
t-shirt.
best T-shirt in the world.
Wow.
Train. So I don't have to walk around the world. She will take me to Rebel with the Cello tour on a train.
Wow,
And this
luxurious.
car, romantic car. Look at this romantic car.
Wow, look at this.
Wow, we can go to every little corner of the world and spread love, right? Rebel with the Cello tour. See you all very soon. Ta-da! So much. It's for me? Wow, thank you. Thank you. Hi, how are you? Good to see you again. Why don't we do the
Hello everyone, welcome back to the amazing video for Stjepan Hauser Fans Official. Everyone, I hope you like this video and share with your friends, your family members and your relatives. Everyone, you don't miss any videos for the latest update of the Cello. You watch every day of the latest update and share with your friends, your family members and your relatives.